बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया यहाँ पे आने के लिए। और जैसे आपको बताया गया, इस फिल्म में मैं एक सरदारनी का रोल निभा रही हूँ पहली बार। और एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग रोल था। पहली बार मैं वीरदास के साथ काम कर रही हूँ बड़े स्क्रीन पर, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। इनफैक्ट आपका भी रोल है फिल्म में
जी।
आप मेरे रिश्तेदार का रोल कर रहे हैं, ब्रदर इन लॉ का रोल
Brother-in-law।
कर रहे हैं। तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। और पहली बार मैं एक बीवी तो बनी हूँ पहले, लेकिन पहली बार माँ बनी हूँ स्क्रीन पर। और एक नहीं, दो नहीं, 3 बच्चों की माँ बनी हूँ। सो इट वॉज एग्जॉस्टिंग बट बहुत मज़ा आया और बहुत ही ख़ास फिल्म है हम सब के लिए। मैं पूरी टीम को मुबारकबाद देना चाहती हूँ एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू शेयर द ट्रेलर विथ यू, जो पहली बार हम आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं। सो थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल ऑफ अस।
सोहा, आपका जो किरदार है वो आपकी मदर से भी कहीं ना कहीं इंस्पायर्ड है, कुछ उसके बारे में हमें बताएं।
मेरे मदर से?
जी।
क्योंकि वो 3 बच्चों की माँ है क्योंकि सिमिलैरिटी तो यही है, ना तो वो सरदारनी है, ना तो उन्होंने ये जिया है। तो शायद जो लुक है, स्पेशली वो जो बिंदी वाला लुक, लोगों ने कहा कि देयर इज अ रिजेम्बलेंस। पता नहीं, मैं एक बिंदी लगा देती हूँ तो थोड़ी सी बंगाली लगती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि मैं काफ़ी पक्की सीखनी लग रही हूँ इस फिल्म में।
हैरी, आपसे मेरा सवाल है।
आप क्या कहना
मैं बस
चाहेंगे?
वही बात दोहराना चाहूँगी, जैसे वीर ने कहा, ये फिल्म किसी को इंसाफ देने के लिए नहीं बनाई गई है। सब अग्री करते हैं कि जस्टिस डिलेड इज़ जस्टिस डिनाइड। तो जस्टिस तो 1984 के विक्टिम्स को मिलेगी नहीं। आई थिंक ये बात तो साफ है। तो बट वी मेड इट टू शेयर अ स्टोरी, और एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी, एक ह्यूमन इंटरेस्ट स्टोरी है। 1984 सिर्फ एक बैकड्रॉप है, और ये एक फैमिली की कहानी है जो किसी की कौम भी हो सकती है। दे हैपन टू बी सिख इन दिस पर्टिकुलर इंस्टेंस।
सोहा, you just said that शायद 1984 के victims को justice नहीं मिलेगी। ये बात तो साफ है। Why would you say so? Is there no hope at all?
I am a very optimistic person, but my understanding is that if it's been 32 years, a lot of the people who were affected by 1984 have passed on. They lived their whole lives in the hope of getting justice and perhaps didn't see it. We all know people who have been affected by 1984, I certainly do. And the saying is that justice delayed is justice denied, because justice should be swift. And as Veer said, the legal system is complicated. We are not judges, we are not Supreme Court lawyers or judges. We are actors, and we've made a film. So it's not really about getting justice. It's about providing a film which we see more as an edge-of-the-seat thriller. It's not a political film. It's not pushing an agenda. It certainly hopes not to be preachy in that way. It's just about the struggle of this family to survive and whether they make it through the night or not.
आप फिल्म में ऑन स्क्रीन आप 3 बच्चों की माँ का किरदार निभा रही हैं। रियल लाइफ में आपकी सिस्टर इन लॉ माँ बनने वाली हैं। तो एक न्यू मेंबर आने वाला है फैमिली में, कितना ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है?
बहुत ज़्यादा।
थोड़ा और एलैबोरेट कर दीजिए।
बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा। Obviously बहुत excitement है, we're very excited.
So how different is that character from, playing that and now? So how different is that character?
They're totally different characters. I mean, Rang De Basanti was a young college-going girl with a group of friends, and how they feel, how a certain patriotism, as you said, is awakened in them because of certain reasons. This is a completely different film. I don't know if, it's as everyone is saying, it's about brotherhood. And what it meant to me was, as someone who was very young when 1984 happened, and I also know people who were affected by it, and in Patodi also there was a Gurdwara that was ransacked in 1984. I have that memory of it as well. So for me to be a part of something like this was more as an actor, to play a character that is different culturally from anything I've played before, to do a period film, to play a real life character, which is also an added responsibility, to play a mother, to do things like that. It was exciting as an acting opportunity, but I don't think that there are many parallels to Rang De, apart from, of course, Rang De, of course, had a part that was set in Punjab, but that's it. I disagree with the fact that it's a similar role, and certainly one is much more mature, this character, and goes through a completely different experience than Sonia from Rang De. No, I mean, it's very difficult to get a solo release, but I think that they're completely different subjects, and there's certainly space for... What we were worried about was coming with a bunch of films, because then you get lost. But I certainly think that we can hold our own. with Mirzia. It's a great role, and I'm a greedy actor, and it is rare to get a meaty author-backed role like this. So I wanted to do that. I have done drama and intense roles before, but there was something about this. It's not a verbose film, it's not a lot of dialogue, and it's also action and a thrilling film where there's suspense, and that's my favorite genre, where you want to know, agle scene mein kya hone wala hai, kya hone wala hai. So I just like the pace of the film, and also I have to say that it was exciting to work with Shivaji sir, because as you know, of course, he's a national award-winning director. When you are part of a good script, you have to also be assured that the director is going to be able to handle it, and it's a sensitive subject. And I wanted very much to work with him, and it was a great experience to work with him.